Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and Milwaukee is expanding their mechanics toolkits with half-inch drive ratchets, sockets, extensions, and they have multiple breaker bars. Now quickly, I just want to start out with this breaker bar. It is made quite well, and we've been putting it to the test with this 60-some-year-old tractor behind us, trying to get at things, breaking parts, and putting on a lot of new stuff as we go through our restoration very slowly. This has been an awesome piece because you can't always get an impact wrench into the point where you need it. Breaker bars work excellent, and it saves on putting a pipe on your ratchet and just blowing the internals up, right? How many of you guys do that? Hopefully none. Get a breaker bar. So this Milwaukee kit here, let me bring you in, let's look on the inside. This is the 47-piece standard and metric kit. This is every piece that Milwaukee currently makes. If you were to buy these two kits separately, everything that you would get in standard is over here, everything in metric down here. You can buy the two kits separately, or you can buy the one together. You'll get everything that they make. You're gonna get a 3 and a 5-inch extension. They both have knurling on them, which I like. It's not too aggressive. In fact, it could be a little bit more aggressive for my standards, but it's still nice to have it there. If you're not familiar with Milwaukee styling here, they have what's called 4-flat. These 4 flats allow you to put a wrench on this if you have the need, or they won't roll away, which is a nice thing if you're working on a lift or anything else like that that's out there. They do have kind of a laser etched numbering system, and it's on 2 sides here. And I apologize, these are covered in penetrating oil, hence the 60-year-old tractor behind us. Everything here is 6-point. So 6-point's great, right? It's gonna give you what you want for most cases, the most strength. And if you look at a lot of the other sets that we have, once we get into half-inch, you start getting into 12-point. I like to have both, and as I'm working with a breaker bar here, I go back and forth. You don't have the ratcheting position here, so you can struggle getting a breaker bar into the right place, which sometimes leads you to weird angles and you can break bolts. It is what it is on that. I like the fact that I can easily get these in a 6-point. So I have deep well, which metric is 10 to 19, and then in the shallow well or standard, I got 10 to 24. I like that we at least get up to 24. This is going to allow me to take care of most of the lug nuts I need between 18, 19, and 21. Some of them might get up a little higher, although I'd like to see a 24 or upwards of this area maybe covered in deep well instead of shallow well. It's a little different when we get to standard. We're going from half to 5/16 in the deep well, and we're going from half to 1 1/8 in shallow well. It's nice that we're getting into a little bit larger socket. Just wish they'd have done the same in the metric side. I don't really think this 10 mil down here is going to do me a lot of good, being the fact that it's half-inch drive. I can easily suck up everything and start at a 13 mil, which is basically half, and then run myself up and get a little bit more in the deep well side. Milwaukee didn't do that. If you have an idea on why, I would love to know. Now, this ratchet, again, I apologize here, does have it labeled on and off. For those of you who don't understand clockwise and counterclockwise, it is a 90 tooth, so it's a 4-degree ratchet. Works well. Your anvil here is simple on and off. There is no button that holds anything on. It's just simple. Works well. Teardrop shape, low clearance up top. It works well. It looks cool with the big Milwaukee stuff in the bottom here that's etched in. Very comfortable, very easy to hold on to. Big fan of this kit. I like it. Milwaukee's proud of it. Very proud of it. You'll find that out when you price it. You can take this part out, set it in your toolbox. They have the same thing that you can do with the 3/8 and 1/4-inch drive models, or they have a nice small case that you can put it together and throw in your truck or service truck or anywhere that you want, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. I like that fact. We carry the 1/4 and 3/8 with us in our side-by-sides because they are so small. Sizing on this stuff has been excellent. The outside diameter has been smaller than a lot of the other tools that I've been using, even some of the made in the USA stuff, which I like. Time is going to tell us how this kit's going to hold up, and the great news for you on that is that this has a full lifetime warranty, so if you break something, you can easily get it replaced. I like it. I got a lot of project going behind us. Breaking stuff, gonna order parts. I want to get this kit out to you so you know that it's coming. You can see what's in it. You can make your decision on if you just want to buy the metric or if you just want to buy the standard or if you want to get them both together. I'll leave more information, part numbers, and all that fun jazz in the description. As always, we thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have an awesome day.